Hey guys, I'm David, the director of this video, and today we are here out in the desert and we are shooting a Hummer EV commercial. The thing that's a little crazy about this is we're not using any generators or any external power at all. We are only using the power from the battery of the Sierra EV AT4. We're gonna see if it can power our entire commercial set tonight. Every monitor, every camera battery, every light, it's all being powered by this truck. And if the battery dies, we're done.
I don't think this has ever been done, at least not that I know of. So we're just gonna hope this thing powers the whole entire video.
We've got our set, we've got our star, the Hummer. This is a spec Hummer EV commercial. In terms of the crew, you've got me, the director. We got Ethan over here, producer. Also, he's gonna be our male lead of the commercial. Diego over here running sound. What's up, Diego?
What up?
We got Noah over here.
What's up, guys?
We got Giovanni.
How's it going? Race car driver.
Oh, really? And Michael, what are we shooting this commercial on?
Not a potato. Shoot on the Arri Alexa Mini. Classic camera, beautiful images.
And then Jeremy's over there. He's doing grip electric. And then we got Eden over here, set designer and art director.
Hi guys.
Driving through the beautiful desert, smiling, getting out of the city, where this guy is going and what he's doing. Sunsets, we get those beautiful cinematic sunset shots of the Hummer. We're gonna see if we can shoot all that in one night.
See a guy who's driving wearing sunglasses?
Take him off for a second. I think off.
I think so too. Shot number one, character.
Get in the zone.
I'm locking in.
Okay, go for it, Ethan. Look at this beautiful car coming down on in its natural habitat.
Waiting for some tacos for lunch, and we were like, okay, what can we shoot now? And then I was like, okay, let's put the camera on the ground, and Michael found this awesome tumbleweed looking bush over there that we rack focus on. And now for the first couple seconds of the commercial, we can just sit on that. It's still, it's silent. You don't see anything in the background. And then all of a sudden, boom. Yeah, how are we feeling time-wise? Right now it is what?
It is 4 o'clock, 4:05.
4:05. We only have, limited time. We've got to shoot a thumbnail. We've got to shoot car-to-car stuff.
What's really gonna be nice is when we get that sun maybe cracking out of that cloud cover and we can get that nice golden hour.
That would be nice.
What I'm waiting for. I'm praying to the lighting gods right now.
All right, so right now, hopefully I'm in focus. I guess we'll find out. Right now we are gonna get Ethan to give us a walkthrough of the Sierra EV and all the electrical outlets that it has available for us to use.
All right, let's take a look at the Sierra EV AT4. I mean, come on, this thing is so practical. You can lift this up over here, and we'll take a quick look at these outlets. 4 120 volt outlets, each one of these up to 20 amps, as well as a single 240 volt outlet right here. And then we have the E-trunk over here. We got another 120 volt outlet, up to 20 amps. And then we have another 120 volt outlet in the cab.
All right, Ethan, you got a commercial to star in. Let's go shoot.
Yeah, we got a big day. We got to get rolling. The light is going down. We're gonna have a beautiful sunset tonight. So we're a bit behind on time, but we're gonna make it happen. Just watch. All right, let's shoot, boys.
Status report. Filmed basically the first half of the commercial, essentially, all the car stuff. And now we're gonna film all of the camping stuff. And so we're gonna move over just a couple hundred yards to our campsite for the night. And that's where we're really gonna start setting up all the lights and probably drain a lot of the battery out of this car right now. So when you're on a film set, you always make sure you've got a plan B, and we don't have a plan B because that would break the rules. The man drive his Hummer to where that the Sierra is now, and we're setting up a Dana dolly now, and we're going to move the camera along here.
BTS is great.
How you feeling?
Feeling good. Feeling good. I think we're getting some awesome shots. David's killing it, crushing it behind the camera.
You're killing it. We're all killing it.
We're killing it. We're kind of killing it. We're kind of killing it.
Close it in the commercial.
All right, you ready?
We're gonna just have you starting there. Perfect.
I get out, and as it's opening,
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean it.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay.
Set and action.
There you go. This is a little precarious, but action. Okay, this is a very weird set because right now I'm theoretically directing this commercial, but also like directing this YouTube video. So as you can see now, right now it's basically like golden hour. We've got probably another hour-ish of like really nice light, trying to cram as many shots as we can into that time, which is always stressful. Yeah.
Okay, so this is gonna be my 2.
Well, we may as well have you pull something out.
Yeah.
Just to have that.
I'll take the wood out.
Yeah, let's pull the wood out.
Got it.
We're about to start plugging in all of our lights. As you can see, the sun is very much starting to set and just basically set. And now it's really showtime for the Sierra EV. Yeah, exactly. We're gonna have Diego just do that into the shotgun.
He actually doesn't record audio. He just has a mic on him.
Yeah, he just makes the.
He makes noises. It's a laugh track.
We're gonna shoot this slow motion, pushing in as you're just sparking. And then that's gonna cut directly to another slow motion of shot of you pushing in as you are setting up the tent.
Cool.
I suppose.
Reshooting the tent shot with the lights this time.
Ready?
Yep.
We got a monitor, guys, and what is it powered by?
It is all powered by the Sierra right now, the Sierra EV.
David, is this actually crazy though? Like,
It's pretty crazy.
it's pretty crazy.
It's pretty crazy.
We're
like,
literally filming
Fully powered.
fully powered by a pickup.
by a truck.
That's insane.
It's like, this is definitely a first.
and it makes it so easy. So as you can see, now it is dark outside. That means it is showtime for the Sierra EV. It is powering that light over there. It is powering this light over here. It is powering this 17-inch monitor. What is our actual battery percentage right now on the Sierra? 70%. 70%. We've got a decent amount of shots to get still, and we've got 70% battery, and we still need to have enough battery to drive 75 miles back out of this desert.
The time of day is nighttime.
Making good times.
We are, that's what I think. I think we're doing good. The Sierra's keeping us juiced. We're like turning into little vampires out here. Like, we don't have to ever go home. We got juice.
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
It is like 7:45. We've been going since 2 p.m.
It's very dark.
and it's very dark out here in the desert. I wish you could see the stars, but it's been so cloudy, which was great for shooting, but now is not as many stars. We are in the second half of the commercial. The team has been absolutely crushing. Everything just powered by this EV, the Sierra EV.
So we have shot, I'd say, 95% of this commercial. The Sierra EV's battery is at 69 SOC, state of charge for all you car nerds. And now we are setting up our final two shots. The second to last shot is of cooking, and then the final shot will be Ethan, AKA Man in Hummer EV, camping in the back of the actual Hummer EV itself. And this is where Eden's really like making the set look like a professional set. Also, just listen right now. You hear that? That is silence, even though all of this power is running. And that's because it's running off of an EV truck. A generator would be brrrr. There's nothing. This is obviously the first time I've done this. Hopefully it won't be the last. So let's go finish up the commercial.
never cooked our own meal.
Like Michael and I,
Like actually cooking our second meal on set. Never powered our entire production off of an electric vehicle.
What's the guess?
58.
65?
65?
37.
It's 69.
Yeah!
It's been like that for hours.
That is a wrap on our commercial and our YouTube video. We ended up at 66%. Let me just explain that to you. We drove that on a 100% charge over 75 miles in high heat into the desert, off-roaded it, drove it more when we actually started shooting, powered a bunch of batteries, powered a bunch of lights, powered a monitor, powered an entire dinner that we cooked off of it, and it only went down to 66%, not even halfway. That is how powerful that 205 kilowatt hour battery is, everybody. Actually shooting a commercial with an EV, the future is now. I'm gonna go try this set because it looks really cozy. Woo! Oh, I can't jump in.
We all want to see ourselves as intrepid adventurers, men who can wield fire, survive the elements, tame the wild. And now we can.